Oh my God. Hello. But you're not doing. Okay. But you're winning. Aha, Fasa Road no. Oh, Adiamra Honum no. Okay. Why smile? It's in the shade. Shy smile no sun left. Yes. Yes. White buildings next asono. It's a kind of white buildings next asono 4. Who for like who kind of funny we are there is the next house was yellow building. But you honor man. But you minutes. We do jump to one course.
Hello, madam. Me patrol me ria if you no mo. Me patrol why. Aha. Baby a double China door. Aha. Baby mi nre mo mra. Mi nre ma me right hand side na me ria room ro. Na ka obetime share me adwona bontia ana Pachomate. Pachomate. Pachomate, madam. Pachomate, bro.
Come in. Come in. Okay.
Madam Pacho, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho.
My chair.
Pacho. Any pass. Pacho say be wo fresh say for bia no say you delay and I say you afache.
Oh.
Pacho say your service is so good now dear.
Oh yeah.
Oh nice. Scan no so send you so yen saka. Yes, next time we hear BBA, what you're afraid the background. And then I said, motor need disturb me. And wanting a money delay. Thank you very much. Oh, me brave, yes, but I'm okay. I'm okay.
But I tell you, we used to, once they say the car ban, no should do. When we used
to motor, maybe a motor rider. Me a special motor rider. I'm a motor widget near the.
But that's not it.
Oh, come and show kind of mother say.
When you share like me, like when many cars.
Sir,
I guess if you are sorry, just say you are like watching me. But I said to move now.
Who can ask somebody no credit, no credit. Before we do cry, I can. Patrol. What's it? Oh, nice. Nice.
Babe. I'm a friend to mom. What is it?
Oh, young man, wait. Please, who is this?
He's a friend.
So, is there any problem?
No question. Any question you have problem. Babe, wait. I don't know. Explain things for me well.
He's a friend.
A friend. Explain it.
Please, I mean,
wait! I mentioned your name. Mahmoud.
Masa, I don't know what to say.
No! I didn't mention your name! I mentioned your name!
Babe!
No, wait, no.
Don't try your limits.
Don't. See, it's your friend. Explain it for me.
Okay, fine. He's a delivery guy. And he said, I do like him. That's all. I asked him to sit down.
But you're trying to buy.
Yes.
I'm a motor rider.
My food.
Just check it. I feel the bad belief by Johnny Money. So, I don't know.
It's food.
He is it. I forgot that supposed to share so.
Can't you see?
Salad.
Can't you see?
Rice. Fried rice.
Huh? Can't you see? Who?
So,
young man.
Oh, yes, sir, boy.
Young man, you know something?
Oh, come on.
A delivery boy like you. And there's somebody told you to bring a food inside room.
What does it matter?
It's changed a lot.
No, does it cause any harm? Tell me.
Honey, are you changing words with me?
I'm not changing words.
So quiet and let me talk to the boy.
I'm not a boy. I'm a man.
Please.
I'm a man. Look at me.
If you're a man or you're a boy, me, I don't care. When did the last time somebody told you so you should bring a food and then you enter somebody's premises and then you come and sit there?
Do you know that this art is something else?
It happens most of the
Young
times.
man, if it's happening, those people over there are not here.
Oh.
Please.
This
thing will be the first and the last.
You see your brother.
But
no, he is not my.
honey, any word from you have problem.
Oh.
I'm not talking to you.
You are talking to me.
I get it.
Young man, listen to me very carefully. I don't want you to change words with you. But what I want to tell you is this. Next time, you are a delivering boy. Open first and put them. Never get around. Don't go. Otherwise, you have a problem.
Babe.
Do you understand me?
Babe.
Because one thing is that I submitted myself.
Yes.
After you went there and something happened,
You get the problem.
you were explaining
I get you.
yourself.
Yes.
So please,
You are right.
get up.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you for your advice.
Okay.
Much appreciated.
Please, your name.
My name is Chinchina Chan.
Okay, you're welcome.
The international delivery guy around and
Okay.
all.
It's okay!
Mommy, go jump.
Come on, sit down! Sit down! Where are you going? Are you going to Scott this? Come on, get up. Come on, go. Go! Don't open your mouth. Come on, go.
I'll call you.
Honey,
Babe.
wait.
Babe.
Don't talk. Wait. One thing is that sometimes, you see this thing I may explain it to. Every day I'm saying this, how can a delivery boy enter our room to come and give you this food? Honey, what is your mind? What is happening here?
Laziness won't allow me to go out.
Laziness? So are you, wait, honey.
That's why I asked you
sometimes
inside. Come on.
You see, this thing, sometimes you are doing that. I just make my mind, what is your mind?
I'm mad. Maybe that's what you want to say.
You order food, enter the house, go and collect it. You allow the person to come inside the room. And then after you come here and something happen, how can you explain yourself?
What's going to happen? Tell me.
Are you telling me?
What's going to happen?
I don't know, you yourself will know.
That your bad mind there. What you say, be a penno. I do feel with him. I just like the guy, Keke. They don't sit any, I don't know. Happily is been a woman. Oh, please. I can't come and cry.
Those kind of things you like too much. What kind of life is this?
I'm a cry.
Come and pack this your things and then
I won't.
Pack it and
You two can pack it.
How come? Okay, I see. Yes. Yeah. Sir. Okay. Wait my chance. Oh, wait my chance. Sorry. Okay.
Actually, Miss Yandana, I drew a young man's last year. And I'm missing. Actually, Madame Beja, Matisse, so dear. About degree, it's not me but now I
Okay, ma'am, a minute. Me fact, Miss Franka.
Okay. Oh, it's almost like that in the new nana.
Sorry. Okay. It's a project work, right?
Yes, please.
School projects?
Yeah.
This is physics? Physics? You did physics at school?
Yeah.
It was my favorite course.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I get it. Okay. Let me show you something. From this column. This is column B. Yeah. Come here.
Abra, na sapona ya de room kukum no.
I'm out though.
Abra.
Be careful, okay?
Marisha, me onze me ya de wani mo marisha me hu.
I'm out though. Be careful, okay? Go and search for it. Never come back again. I'm busy.
Me share na me hu ya san kama me bisa.
I'm helping someone with her course. So go and search for it.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you. She's my little sister.
I can see.
A very stubborn girl.
Okay.
Yeah. Na guy be the missa no tata no penary no. But one piano no see missa on your friend.
Okay.
So from this column, this is column B. From column B to column C, they are one. Okay, another one. Column D to column E, they are two. Yeah, son, I say, yeah, why am you column C now? Ye.
I know, but you said
Bra.
I'm on.
Polytank na ye ma o min ko dun nana.
Enti ama se polytank ye bu so dum na ye ma. Wu jago aba be bisa me se, wundum na se wakodum no.
Ba se wo si bibia ni ampe bibia mi sa onti mi be bisa o se mi.
Me se wo pe bibia bisam abra wo hie ska dia to ade na se wo pe bibia to ade aya wo ho. Enya abra mi di nkomo ne sa ade exam na wo gina nso ni bugu. Ama. Enso ni bugu.
Na bra dia wo ye hu hia che onua no.
Who young children be about my say, and what's a wood no? Go and switch it off and never come back again.
Okay.
God bless you.
God bless you.
I'm sorry.
oh, me okay, so I'm waiting.
I'll grow beer when you have him. Son, what here? And I will teach you. My name is a student, Chinchina Chan here. When you program, the OPBR. But why are they so go school? Because
Brian, and your man, I see and only a man. I want to come baby so say, Minko here.
Every man is same.
Mrs. Starden will be over to Jana Salvation.
Fakuru Yusu, Nasahatan remix.
Brown, you know.
I'm mad and I'll take him, sir. And 2% me poor seminar and I saw some fast seminar. Oh, maybe. Ama, be careful. What do you tea? Oh, that be where we am. I'll call.
Okay, now, Brian, my assignment me. I'm
a young man, I'm bet your assignment. And young men me assignment. School am require my dinner ma minimum ntimi fa nche me amenua ba metimi de kira bonte so for. Ama wa assignment ke be ka dem ka book na be pro. Ha ho mfa wa assignment e ma ha.
Hey Brian, ya suma o kan chem.
Asma me ka kira na ka me ka kira wan. Go.
Ne me bako koma bla no teacher no a kire mi.
Wan, Amisa.
Mami sa sama.
Okoyi wa na o ko kira wa de abuoi.
Mama me how mama nkona.
Oh, we cry the enya how. Na the ten say me nua na medwum wa menti ase. Our mind problem and our mind issue. Masana me ka bibi kura say ase oba ho ofisi na nyame aboa a wo pesiko. Enya ma ni nyina na pene sa. Obegwa nka ho ofisi sa me nko ne nam disco bra bone no ma ensem fata shisha ori ba wo de woni ta form what for school say wo kra no agye nkwa. This our level say
200.
Level 200. So 2 more years to finish. And I will help you to finish your course. Don't worry. Any help, anything you need about education, I'm there for you. Because I am a family who are who finance was up in school. In fact, where you find girl,
Yes.
And I own office to be fatal. Said you will see just so who fina what year Juma maybe a what office now fee.
Yeah, but you na me catch you say fufu no. I no me a bunch na abnenting can be this car koyam.
Ama and I'm up in more say.
Me well feel.
Dabi ama and I'm up in more say.
Brown from our sweet darling no. The car on the man in the
Ama makase tenase. Enti ama ade a wodi ye minti e beboa me no mienu abra abone ya setena wo fie ha.
Brana nti ja wi enti efe.
Dey na me yenye fe.
O de fufu no so wo be wo de yen koneko.
You are still talking about fufuo. Abra o ma de pa bia so no ko and you are still ama wo wale mo sunsuma na.
Ya no fa me ni ko me bua me ye aduane bia de. Now go no nya na
me jam me phone no want me.
I'm back.
Yes. Sorry, I come on.
Back.
Yes.
Na me back to o hwa de. Enye bone kwa so. Se bibia si na nkoye wada wo ma fa cha
Me okay.
ni wiase wo hu. Baby anyame ebo na mpesi no. Na sa pon sama kofa mo ne nyeko bi wo mo ne. E ho mo betoto no amana tu ham.
Pacho ko no so kan na mama.
Yam kana nko kire wo so wo so nko na wo mo obi ene.
Me go na mo.
Yam kana nko kire wo I think so do wa.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Fa dam.
And we jam for. Bra.
Ama with the gromel po wani so aku. Suba tanta be no. Ade na suba tisa. So one hwe me na me hwe obiem. Ababoya by force me fa me sister to me also na me hwe me sister. It's not by force. The two boys be braye ye. O ma forget to my bishop, o ma forget to my sister. It is a crime. It is a crime to take care of you.
Bra say pa na be de makoma me.
Enye obekọ. We so be ma me no ma bia bobia. Obekọ. Some intimi sepem, oba me intimi sepem ho da. Ade fe na ho sepem. Me nya bi da. O room, wo me room. Debi ata me nya oba sa da no so. Obeda me nchen. How come? How come?
So o si homework na yama no.
Na homework na me nya ma na, woni be be keka ko wie. So fi me ne so ko.
Na bra o sure say o be pe o di.
Ke be fa. O ga ta de no wo share no de ba na chese nka fa wie. Na me your project ma wa ko she eyi.
Sister na ka sa ho no be ye German.
Sao. So why say wa no selfish. Come if you